Hello, and welcome to Crocheting Made Easy. So, today we're going to talk about front post stitches and back post stitches. And remember, if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. We're teeny tiny at the moment, but that's okay. Alright, so let's start with the front post stitches. So the first thing we're going to do, you notice I've got a line of 10 DCs here. You can do front post stitches into, well, it's hard to do it into single chains, but half DCs or above you can do it in. And all this does is it creates a puff in your work. So what I'm going to do is to make a DC front post stitch, I'm going to go here, and the trick with these is getting under the post. So you notice I'm not going in here, I'm going under, along this ridge. And then I'm going to grab my yarn here. So I've yarned over, I've pulled through, and this little stitch is puffed up. And I'm going to pull through two and pull through two, just like a regular DC. And now it looks like a super long one. All right, so let's see that again. I'm going to go under this post here from the front. That's why it's called a front post stitch. And I'm going to yarn over and pull through and pull through, pull through. And it gives me super long double crochets. And this actually gives great texture to your work. That's basically what both of these types of stitches are for. The front post creates a puff, the back post creates a depression. All right, so let's look at the back post one. So here, instead of going through from this direction, I'm going to go through under. You notice, let me show you that again, going under like this. So there's my post, and I'm pulling it backwards. See? I'm going to pull through two, and pull through two. There we go. And now I created a little depression. From the back, it still looks like a front post stitch, but it's creating little dip. So let's do that one again. We're going to go from the back, go through here, pull through two, pull through two. So now I've got a little dip. So when you alternate these, what you get is a nice little bumpity 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 bumpity. So if I do the front post again, here we go. Front post stitch from the front and under, like so. I've got a ridge. See? Nice and easy. All right, I hope that was helpful. And have a lovely morning. Goodbye.